Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Michigan. Today I am going to talk about the topic. Does any IT certification help you to get a new job? As you know, there are quite a few certifications available in the market, especially in information technology, and list is overwhelming. Here you see some of the popular certifications such as PMP, Agile Scrum Master, Cloud certifications, TOGAF and so on. One can prepare for the certification and pass the exam. Big question at the end of the day is any of these certifications worth of doing? Meaning, does it help you achieve your goal and maybe get you a job? Let's find that out. In this video, I am going to tell you following things, based on my experience. Why to go for an IT certification? That is, what is the benefit of doing it? Then, important is to decide your certification path. Here, primarily we focus on how to choose right path for the certification. We shall also discuss how do I get a job once I have completed a certification. So let's get on to it. Let's talk about what is the need or benefit of doing a certification. Firstly, it helps you get better compensation. There are many certifications in the market which give a very good salary compensation for specific skill sets. Being certified in those areas obviously helps you to excel in that skill and gives a lot of weightage in your CV. Let's look at some of the highly paid certifications in the market currently. Google Cloud Professional Cloud Architect is seen at the top paid certification. Then comes Google Cloud Professional Data Engineer. Then, PMP certification from PMI is also one of the very high demand certification in project management. Amazon Web Services Cloud Architect Professional is still the top notch and is highly recommended. And Certified Information Security Manager is also seen in top 5 highly paid certifications in the market. Secondly, you can get more and better opportunities within your company or even outside as you get skilled into specific area. For example, PMP enables you to become a project manager. TOGAF certification allows to be an IT architect, be it a solution architect or enterprise architect. Cloud certifications such as AWS, Google, or Azure enables you to become cloud expert and have more opportunities in this area. Some of the certifications also enable to get promotion in your job. For example, if you are senior associate in your company and have completed PMP certification, then you would have a prospect of getting promotion as a project manager. Lastly, and probably most importantly, you learn something new with a certification. You may be aware of AWS Cloud, but when you go for let's say AWS Certified Solution Architect certification, you learned how you can do solutioning with AWS Cloud. There are many certification paths that you can choose based on your career plan or role you are doing or planning to do. I try to cover here key areas which generally would choose based on role one plays or plans to perform. These are project management, IT architecture, cloud infrastructure, agile or safe, scaled agile framework and data engineering. These are key areas I tried to divide here for IT. In general, however, one can also do further segregation based on different parameters. There are also certifications in artificial intelligence, which is real buzzword in recent times. I will cover it separately in another video. Let's take a brief look at these certification paths one by one. First is project management. Here, there are different certifications available from various platforms. Most famous one is PMP, that is Project Management Professional, from PMI. This is very popular and highly recognized among most of the organizations across industry for many years now. So this is the one I would certainly recommend if you are choosing project management path. There is a separate video I made on PMP certification preparation if you want more details. You can find link for the same here in the description. Another certification here is Prince 2 Foundation. This is also very recognized by many organizations and covers excellent topics for project management. Next is IT architecture. In this, there are various certifications available. In IT architecture, you are expected to be able to perform all activities as an architect. There are various segments usually used here. Different roles one can play are solution architect, enterprise architect, domain architect, and so on. Most famous one in this area is TOGAF certification from the Open Group. TOGAF is a great course if you want to learn IT, architecture as whole, and looking for career in architecture. It is recognized among most of the organizations across industry where complex IT systems are managed. So this is the one I would highly recommend if you are choosing architecture path. Soon, I shall create a separate video on TOGAF certification preparation as well. Another recommended certification in IT architecture is Certified Professional in Software Architecture. This is also very useful certification and one can learn very important concepts of software architecture. Although it may not be as popular as TOGAF, I found this certification very interesting. Let's look at the path for cloud. Cloud is a very vast area as we know, and there are a number of certifications from various cloud providers. Of course, it is essential for most of us to learn cloud concepts as that's we do nowadays in most organizations. There are specific roles one can play in cloud certifications. Key cloud providers which provide the certifications are AWS, Amazon Web Services, Google Cloud, Microsoft Azure, and Oracle Cloud. These are most famously used cloud platforms and provide number of certifications based on roles and knowledge areas. Typically, it offers certifications in solution architecture, DevOps, cloud administration, data engineering, and analytics area. So if you are looking to build career in cloud areas, these cloud providers are most popular and you can choose various certifications based on your career path. For AWS and Google Cloud, I have added different videos for certification preparation. You can check the link here in the description. Fourth one in this section is Agile and Safe. Agile, as we know, is methodology used for almost 2 decades now with primary focus on IT software development and delivery. SAFe is scaled agile framework which is used in recent years by many organizations to deliver IT software in large scales, especially with transformation projects as well. There are various certifications available in Agile offered again by various platforms. There are 2 famous certifications in Agile are Certified Scrum Master and Certified Product Owner. Scrum Master and Product Owner are 2 key and essential roles. These certifications also have different levels such as 1, 2, 3 based on skill level. Agile also offers certification for leadership roles, namely Professional Agile Leadership or PAL. It also have multiple levels of certification offered. With SAFe, we have SAFe Agilist as popular certification. Since it has evolved, there are various levels of Agilist, currently which is level 6 and will continue to evolve. So if you are working in Agile or planning to take up any of these roles, these certifications are hot favorites and are very much in demand as well. Last but not least, we take a look at data engineering career path. Data engineering or data science has become very critical for each businesses or organizations in recent years as one can use data in various ways for the benefit of the company. Data analytics is quite commonly used across many organizations and will continue to evolve. Most recommended certifications in this area come from Google Cloud, IBM, AWS, and Microsoft Azure. Google Cloud Professional Data Engineer is one of the highest paid certifications and can be very useful if company data resides on GCP. IBM Professional Certified Data Engineer is also certification with high value added in CV. Similarly, AWS and Azure also has certifications in data engineering. This list is not complete, though I have covered all the certifications which are and would remain in high demand. Now once you are certified in your chosen path, you would submit your CV in the company. Big question comes is how can I get a job after I am certified? Answer is of course yes, you can get a desired job after your certification is done. There are few important things you need to make sure that you have fulfilled to get a desired job once you are certified in specific area. First and foremost is once you are certified, you are assumed to be an expert in that area. So when you put in your CV that you are PMP or Google certified or SAFe Agilist, you are expected to have excelled in the skills of that particular area. Let's assume you are AWS Certified Solution Architect, and you are looking to get a job as Cloud Solution Architect in AWS. In this case, you are expected to have necessary technical skills for the role. This combines with skills you learned with certification, plus expertise you gained with your practice and study you did. You should also know all the key services in AWS. You are also able to select which services shall be used a specific scenario or use case based on the requirements. Secondly, you should have some experience of the skills you have certified in. So you might ask, I don't have much experience in that. I am only certified in the skills. Well, it means here that you need an experience of using those skills. For example, if you are PMP certified and you apply for a job of project manager, you would be expected to have an experience in project management using skills that you learned in PMP certification. You are able to tackle various situations using methods you have used in certification with your own experience as well. You are able to choose which methodology you will use for a specific project and why. So this is meant with experience in addition to certification you have. Another thing is general know-how. You should know the basics of that role or skills you are certified. In addition, you should have knowledge of overall surroundings. It could be way of working, environment, or general topics. For example, in earlier example of AWS, you are expected to be an expert in AWS, but you should also know difference between AWS, GCP, and Azure. Or, you should also know practical challenges of implementing project management methods you studied in PMP certification. So here we saw today different IT certifications available, including their benefits, how you can approach to choose the right certification, how they add value to your profile and help you to find right job for you. This concludes the topic for now. Hope it helps you to reach your goals. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe to my channel for more updates. Thank you for watching.